Tauren, and today what you'll need is a comfortable pair of shoes to work out in. We are going to do a jump squat today. So all you need is comfy shoes. Let's get started. For the jump squat, I want you to stand with your feet hip width apart. What you're gonna do is bend your knees, lower yourself down like you're going into a chair, press up out of your feet, jump. If jumping hurts or it makes you a little bit uncomfortable, you can also lift up your heels into a calf raise. Let's try that again. We're gonna lower down, stand up, and jump. I'm also gonna show you from the side with the jump, and I'm also gonna show you with the calf raise. Stand, lift. Down, stand, lift. All right, let's get started with today's workout. Now remember, you're gonna bend, press through the feet, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time to rest. Now remember, you're gonna bend, press through the feet, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now remember, you're gonna bend, press through the feet, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Today's workout was 3 rounds of 10 reps of the jump squat with a 30-second break in between. So for today's stretch, we're gonna try and stretch those muscles at the back of our leg. They're called the hamstring. You're gonna reach down, touch your toes. We're gonna hold this for about 30 seconds. We'll stand up, give yourself about 20 seconds, shake out your legs, and then do it again for another 30 seconds to really stretch out those hamstrings and also give your calves a little bit of stretch from the jumping. You did a great job today. Come back next week ready to soar with play.